let's try to discuss other things now. Okay. So, okay. Before that, let's do one thing. Okay, let's capture out what and all we discussed till the time. Okay. So we executed user add, right? How to add a user, right? bi sudo to add a user in sudoers file, or we can also use vim editor or anything. Okay, etc sudoers. Okay, this one also we can follow. And along with that, what else we have? What else we discussed?
We discussed
File, right?
group.
File, password file, and created groups file location. Okay. So the one is etc pass wd. Next one is it slash shadow. Okay. Next one is slash etc slash group. Okay, so these are few of the files basically which we discussed yet. Now, what next? Right. So if you remember what we did, okay, we created a user. Okay, what we did, we created multiple users by using add user command. Okay, now here I am. Okay, and in fact, if I just go here, cd slash home slash, and here we can see three users, Abdul, Jerry, easy to have user. I want to delete this particular user, Abdul. Okay, how can I get this deleted? So to delete the user, what I can do, I will just go, I will say userdel. Okay, and if I say Abdul, okay, and I got this executed, okay, and here it is not showing me any output, it means this particular user is deleted, right? But see one thing, okay, if I go ls slash home, okay, see the home directory of Abdul still exists, right? Home directory of Abdul still exists, it hasn't been deleted yet. So what can I do, right? It means this user is not deleted, right? Or this is deleted. What do you think?
No, it's still there in the root.
That is not correct. See, let's go and see here etc passwd. Have a look here. Here we are not able to find that user Abdul. That is deleted. It doesn't exist anymore, right? So now it means here what happened is user got deleted. Okay, but its home directory still exists. That's the problem. Okay, so in
by what
user
command
got
did we use last before this command?
userdel. I can show you. Okay, I used this command userdel user delete Abdul. Okay, this is what I used. So it means now what I will have to do, I will have to delete this home directory manually. Okay, how will I delete? To delete anything, we have a folder, we have something that is rm. Rm is to remove. Okay, if we want to remove any directory, that is for rm. Okay, but manually we can get this deleted. Okay, that is fine. But that is not a good practice, right? Every time we can't go and manually delete this, delete any of the home directory. Why will we do? If we are deleting the user, its data should also get deleted. Okay. So in those scenarios, what we need to do, we need to execute this command userdel. Okay. And after that, we will use -r. -r means recursively. Okay. And what we want to delete the Jerry, for example. Okay. Because Abdul is already deleted. We want to delete the Jerry. So we want to delete Jerry. hyphen R we used, it means its home directory will also get deleted now. So once I press enter, now if I just go ls/home, so see, Jerry's home directory is deleted. And again, if I just go to this particular file for validation, the that particular user is also being deleted. User doesn't exist anymore. Okay. So whenever we are deleting a user, what we have to do? We have to use userdel, userdel hyphen r, user name to delete a user. Okay.
Yep.
Without home directory. Userdel hyphen r, username, delete a user with home directory. Okay. Now, this is one of the way. Now, as we are the root here, okay, let me go here, cd/home slash, what do we have? We have this Abdul user, right? ls, okay, there is nothing. Cd dot dot. Okay, now clearing, I'm clearing the screen. If I do ls, here we can see Abdul. What I want to delete this folder. Or let me do one thing. Okay, let me go back. Let's go one by one. Okay, will not go directly there. Here I am. Do we have any files and folders? We have these files and folders, right? I want to delete the file. How can I delete? I want to delete, for example, this particular file. To delete the file, I have rm. Rm is the command, and I will give it a name as this
Yes, text.
aws1.txt. I'll press enter. Okay, it asks remove regular empty file. I'll say Y or yes. I'll press enter. I'll again press ls. So see, aws1.txt is being deleted,
Can we
right?
use rm? Can we use rm hyphen y to skip the question? Remove
Yeah,
regular
that we
empty.
can. That we can do. We can do.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Okay.
So let's try to do another one. Okay, aws2.txt. Let's give it a try. Okay. Here we go. aws2.txt, and let me say hyphen y. Okay. See, it shows hyphen y is invalid option. Okay, we can't get this deleted. So that's a trouble, right?
Mm-hmm.
Now, that's the problem. But that is fine. Okay, we have one other option. What is that? Okay, I used this way. What I can do is I can say hyphen f. Okay, hyphen f is
Forcefully.
for forcibly. Okay,
Okay.
forcefully, basically.
Okay.
Once I press enter, it is deleted. Okay, now it is hasn't asked me for my confirmation. It has deleted
Okay.
this directly. Okay, so instead of y, what we can use hyphen f. Fine. Now the another problem comes up is there are so many files. Okay, and all of these are the txt file, aws, something like this. I want to delete all of them. How can I get them deleted? Do I have any
Mm,
shortcut?
yes.
Okay, what is that?
Uh, I'm not entirely sure, but I think it's rm and then star dot text or maybe
Right,
something like that.
you are right, absolutely right. Okay,
Yes.
there are multiple ways to do it. Okay, the one is we can say rm hyphen f. Okay, and we can say star dot txt. Okay, so it will delete all the files whatever is there and which are having .txt extension. So it will delete the files which are having .txt extension. That is one way.
Okay.
Another one is I can also do this way aws, and I can say star. Okay, so this is also one of the way. Any of the way we can follow. I'll press enter. I'll say ls, and now we can see all the files which are started by aws got deleted. Right
Yep.
now, that is fine. But what is happening? Okay, we try to delete everything which is starting by AWS start. Let me try to do similarly, delete these folders which we have. Okay, so let me try to say rm-f, okay, Linux, and I'll say star, and I press enter to see what is happening. None of the folder is getting removed. Okay, no folder is getting removed. It means there is some change in the command line. This command is not perfect to delete the folders or directories. Okay, so if I want to delete the directories, then here we have rm-r. Okay, and for example, if I want to delete linux-1, I'll press enter. Again, it is asking me yes or no. I will say yes, and now it got deleted, linux-1. Okay, so similarly here, what we can do here, we can use rm-rf. Okay, and here we have linux-2, and I'll press enter. So once I press enter, see, linux-2 is deleted. Similarly, like we deleted multiple files. Okay, here also we can delete multiple folders. So we can use rm-rf linux-star. Okay, and once we press enter and we'll do ls, so see, all of these folders or directories are being deleted. It means we don't have any folders or directory available which starts with the linux hyphen. Okay, everything is being deleted now.
Yep.
Now if I want to capture it, okay, here we go. So rm file name to delete the file. Okay, rm hyphen f, right? Delete the file forcefully. Rm hyphen rf. Okay, to delete the file and folder both forcefully. Okay, so it could be your file name, your name, or folder name. Okay, anything whichever is there, it will get
Deleted.
deleted. Okay, so this is how it works. You have some time today?
Yes.
Give me a minute. Okay?
Okay, sure.
1 minute. I'm